I don't think this little dude is going to be going anywhere. He just wants to sit on me and he's jumping all over my jumper. Hey, hey cutie. That's better. Get you in the sun. Ooh, there you are. Hey Spike. Hello. Hello. Hey cutie. Oh. He just will not come off my hand, and when I put him down, he's jumping on me and jumping up my jumper. So it's just so cute. You are just so cute. Does anyone know what type of bird this is, please? If anyone can tell me, that would be really, really good. Say bye, Spike. Yeah, what type of bird is this, please? If anyone knows.